For the first time, everyone realizes the hard truth. They never really had full control of their own money. But while panic spreads, something unexpected happens. A new player steps in, Pi Bank. And not just a soft launch, no. It goes live instantly, straight into its open mainnet. No delays, no excuses. Just a clear message. The future of money is here, and it belongs to the people. Before I break it down, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more updates on Pi, Web3, and the future of finance. All right, let's keep going. So, what exactly is Pi Bank? It's not a building with tellers. It's not run by one company. Pi Bank is a digital system that runs across thousands of computers around the world. That's what makes it powerful. No single weakness. No one person in charge. See, with a normal bank, that app on your phone is just a window. The bank decides what you see, what you can spend, and when. But Pi Bank? It's different. It runs on blockchain, a public record nobody can secretly change. Your Pi wallet is like your vault. The money is yours, secured by your private key. You don't need permission from anyone to access it. All you need is internet. Now let's rewind to that massive breakdown, the Big Bank fire. It wasn't a real fire, but a system crash. A software update went wrong, data got corrupted, and everything froze. Cards stopped working, ATMs went dark. Balances even disappeared from screens. One tiny mistake took down the entire system. That's the weakness of centralized finance. One point of failure, and it all collapses. But here's where Pi Bank was ready. Months earlier, it had been testing non-stop on what's called a test net. Basically, practice runs for transactions. Then came the big moment, the Genesis block, the very first block of its real blockchain. In seconds, thousands of computers around the world synced up. The system flipped from testing to reality with no pause. And here's the wild part. Every practice balance instantly became real value. People could transact immediately. That was the lifeboat when the old system sank. So why should you care? Because with Pi Bank, your wallet is your vault. Only you have the key. No manager, no middleman, no failure can touch it. Your Pi stays yours, even if the world goes offline. This changes everything. It forces traditional banks to wake up, to move faster, to be cheaper, and to be more transparent. Because here's the truth. A decentralized network has no off switch. It's global. It's unstoppable. The fall of the old system wasn't just a disaster. It was a warning. And Pi Bank's open mainnet wasn't just a launch. It was the answer. This isn't just another step in finance. This is a new beginning. If you believe the future of money belongs to the people, not the banks, then stick with me. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join me as we uncover where Pi is heading next.